how did 2023 turn out to be from a compliance perspective?
Uh, Purely from a corporate secretary perspective, we all know that the Ministry of Corporate Affairs is working on decriminalization of a lot of offenses. But what I've seen, and maybe it is because of COVID, we've been now taught to go on a more virtual and an mode of compliances rather than dwelling more on paperwork. Uh, you know, if I talk about the kind of experiences that I've had in past, when I started off with the food industry in the very beginning of my working years, I saw that compliance was more about just intimation rather than actual compliances, whether it was food laws or regulatory or corporate secretary, to be very precise here. But over the years, and more so after COVID, things have changed a lot. From a regulatory perspective, it is now more so like a trust-based system that the regulatory officers are trying to set up. Uh, and I also think that we as organizations and businesses have also kind of uh, thought over a lot on compliance from an area where we are saying that as a business, as an organization, it is more so in our benefit and advantages for us to be complying rather than just be in the mode of being an informative officer or an intimation officer to the regulatories. I started off when I started off as a company secretary and as a legal person with one of the food manufacturing industries. It was more about just putting on labels without emphasizing on what the labels would mean, what the declarations and disclaimers on a package would mean. But now it has a lot of emphasis. We do get not talking about a specific company that I work with or I work with, but we've seen a lot of complaints and very prompt notices coming to us. So regulatory officers, regulatory authorities have certainly pulled up their socks big time, and we are completely. I wouldn't say that it's a rat race, but we are trying to set up a system where we know that things will have a consequence, and a circular or a notification that has come out will certainly need some work to be done upon. So I think compliance officers, as company secretaries, as legal counsels, it has become a lot of burden on us. But yes, going forward, it's certainly going to be more beneficial to the businesses.